They have shared the places they will build refinery in Nigeria, and Southeast is never in the list. My people, they say one pastor for Ogun State Don Kpai one of his members use am go join court. Things they happen. As we they talk that one, they say that unknown government, unknown military men don't invade the country where they call Sierra Leone, and they also free prisoners from that country. Is happening now. For that, Sierra Leone is hot. Yeah, my wonderful people, we'll go find out how this thing take happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today that the first time we come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We are here today to update you of things where they happen across the world, and things where they happen for inside Nigeria, for inside Biafra land, and for Africa at large. Let's quickly jump into the matter where we get for hand today. As you all know that in Nigeria, there is a serious political war going on. But the truth is that some of us never believe that a war still going on in Nigeria. Despite that you are not seeing any dead body for your front every day. But it's going on secretly. Nigeria, where would they inside today? Imo State get oil. Oil there for Abia State. Oil almost there for the 5 eastern region for inside Southeast. Even some resources where they never dictate. Even the one where they thief secretly where we don't know. So, and for all these things, when they talk of building refinery, Southeast is never included. The people when they even get one oil for their side, now get refinery, now get oil well, now get everything. But people will get the oil, not get one for their place. I'm going to play this video for you to watch and hear it for their mouth as they share the way their business center, where they call Nigeria as a country, they go, before we come back and continue.
Talking about our refineries, it is a very for us, it is I don't want to call it a shame, but we are rising to that challenge, and I can confirm to you, right, Honorable Speaker, that by the end of December latest, we will start the Port Harcourt refinery. Early in the first quarter of 2023-2024, we will start the Warri refinery. And also, by the end of 2024, Kaduna Refinery will come into operation. This is the commitment that we are giving, and you can hold us accountable on this. And the other part of it is that in 2024, many of the initiatives that are happening, including the rehabilitation of our refineries, and also the efforts by small-scale refiners, and also the upcoming startup of the Dangote refinery will make this country a net exporter of petroleum product in 2024. So we'll no longer be talking about imports of petroleum products.
When I don't hear them, for Igbo land, which one when I get? 0. So this is the one Nigeria we all want. What of the railway? They are building everywhere. How many have come to Imo State, Anambra, and the Ebonyi and the other state? How many? 0. They will promise you people for Dan come. So keep people that still believe, keep believing. So my people, let's quickly jump into this another Ogbonge news what we get for our hand today. The first is Sierra Leone, unknown military men or government almost take over the whole cities and state in Sierra Leone today, as they went ahead and be releasing some prisoners. So we are going to play the video for you to watch and see what is going on in Sierra Leone right now.
I'll come to you, they salute them.
They don't sabi nobody.
Okay.
You see, man,
Attack squad. Attack squad.
Yes. The area now, this right now. People this is a man from Daun and they can also. I don't kind of salute them. No, no, we can't. We will say hi to them.
People they salute them, I'll come to you.
They beaucoup.
Forget. Oh, all now so Jamani.
This is where God is in control.
They salute them. Let us send gun now.
Some man away go. Man away.
That's where they go.
And I regent now. They say they work for grafting. So German and just a pass on. And Commodaro.
Yeah, my wonderful people, till now we never still know the people will be this and waiting be their mission. Apart from this one, what they do now, they go prisons, the free people may they go. As that one they happen, they say one pastor for Ondo Don Kpai one of his member as he go join court and even bury am for inside church. We will show you the video, may you watch as the confession they go on.
It was indeed a moment of reflection and confusion for residents of Ewekoro and its environs as the police paraded murder suspect who claims to be a clergyman. The suspect, Oluwatobiloba Ikpense, a 42-year-old secondary school teacher and a spiritual head of Holy Garden Evangelical Christian Church of God in Ewekoro area of Ogun State, give details of how the dastardly act was carried out.
They said that they wanted to take me into an occultive covenant. And they said that they are going to collect a ransom. So they collected the names of my members and picked the woman that she will be the one they are going to take. And having taken her, having mentioned her, they asked from me where she was living. And I told them that she's living at Wasemi. So on the 21st of March, around 10 to 11, one of them came. PM. One of them came to knock at my door at my residence, saying that some people are waiting for me in the church. So on getting there, I saw Mr. Shukweju and the woman with another 7 occultic members that I cannot identify. Those ones were putting on black and red robe with 7 calabash with them. So Mr. Shukweju, I was asking him, how did he get here? Because I did not see the vehicle. I also saw the woman. I gave their names, the names too. I saw the woman with them. She was tied and her face was covered with a red cloth. So on that very day, I was asking Mr. Shukweju how he got there. Then he told me that because they did not bring vehicle to my house, and he was on the same at his church. He was at the Spirit Mountain that night. So he started that one on the 20th of March through 26th, something like that, 26th. So it was on Wednesday evening, around 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. that I saw them. And Mr. Shukweju removed the knife with him and cut off the woman's head. And before he cut off the woman's head, he put the blood of the woman in the 7 calabashes the 7 people were holding. And I was asking him that, you did not tell me that you are going to kill this woman. No? He said that is the way they are going to do it, that they cannot tell me everything that they are going to do at that very place. Later, after he has already collected the blood, he removed the woman's head completely and the hands. At that time, I was shaking and I could not hold it anymore. When they saw it on me, they said I should go back to my room. I should go inside. I also asked them that, you are cutting off the woman's head. What do you want to use the woman's head and the hands for? They said that there are other members that must partake in what they have cut, that they need to share it. And the woman that was with him was holding a big calabash painted white. So it was in that white calabash they put the head and the hands of the woman. So telling the woman to hold it very well, that it must not touch the ground. I told them that how are they going to do the body? They said that I should go my way, that I have already completed one stage of what they asked me to do. And when I returned back to my room, I came back in the early morning to the church. I did not see the trace of anything or anywhere was dug. So it was on Sunday morning that I saw a place that was cracked inside the church room. So on getting there, I removed the shovel and I removed the sand at that very place, because I was suspicious that something was there, as the ground swelled up on that day. So as I removed the sand, I saw the woman with the white they used to cover her there. Because it was already time to service, I covered it back, and I went to the back of the truck and dug more ground on the corpse. So I was pondering over it, that how am I going to do it? How am I going to do it? Until when it was Wednesday, I was at the church. When I returned from the school, that was when I saw the police that came to arrest me. And when they arrested me, I denied at first, but later when they got to my site, they discovered the woman's corpse, and I reviewed everything to them.
An accomplice, Daniel Shokpeju, the spiritual head of Obaunimajemu Celestial Church in Iyano Egbado, who allegedly cut off the head and hands of the deceased, however denied his involvement in the crime. The Commissioner of Police, Ogun State Command, CP Ahmed Ilyasu, while briefing newsmen, described it as a height of wickedness.
This is the height of wickedness that can be meted out to fellow human beings. It will interest you to know that the victim was a secret lover to the pastor who eventually hacked her to death. It has been the resolve of this command, that is this police command, to ensure that perpetrators of this type of heinous crime will never go unpunished. And we have been consistent in doing that. Forensic investigation into the case has commenced, and the case will eventually be charged to court. The culprit would be dealt with accordingly. I hereby appeal to good people of Ogun State to always be watchful of those they associate with.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video and heard everything that they said here, how this pastor take by a member, and the member don't go be say don't go. So guys, you should be very, very careful of who you follow as a leader, because most of all those people you follow as a leader, they are no longer women like you. So guys, please, I want you to share this video and make sure say you follow this page for more updates as it is hot back to back. But the question that we want to ask Nigeria people today is what is the way forward? The way forward of that country is to leave the Biafrans to go in peace. Referendum is still the key. Referendum is the solution. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and conduct referendum to know if the majority or if everyone want to vote yes to stay, or people want to vote to leave. So this is the solution, instead of we buying ourselves every day. My people, you get why. Share this video for more updates.